Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get details information over the files that we have on Google Drive. So here first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Drive, and after that make sure that we are on the file section and find out which documents or which files that we want to have the informations to. Okay, so I want to check this market.jpg here. Just now how to know more details about these documents is just by clicking these three small dots, and after that just scroll down this option until we found details and activity. Yeah, just need to click it, and now you will get the details information over the documents, so you know the type of the documents. Oh, sorry. Okay, I will bring you back. Okay, so you already know the details of the documents, which is the type of the documents. So the type of our documents here is image, and the location is on my drive with the size 5 for 6 KB, and then the owner is the name of your Google Drive, and it's also shown the time when you create or upload this file into the Google Drive, and where the last modified of the documents do. You also can manage the access here. It will be shown who someone else who can access these documents, and that's all the way how you get the detailed information over the documents on Google Drive. If you find that this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.